HG Hair Unblocker promises to remove hair, toothpaste and soap that clogs the drain. Let's find out. Hi John, is the HG Hair Unblocker really that effective at removing blockages caused by hair and dirt?
Absolutely. Thanks to the unique, ready-to-use two-component technology. Component 1 dissolves the hair, and component 2 amplifies this process by at the same time attacking the dirt that is trapped by the hair. Toothpaste, skin grease, soap residues. It now takes roughly 1 hour for our formula to do its job.
Okay, well let's have a coffee break.
Good idea?
Whoa, all hairs have dissolved. Check.
Because we develop very carefully specific solutions for every type of blockage, our formulas work very effectively and of course without damaging the drain pipe.
I'm totally convinced. Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
We're convinced HG Hair Unblocker does it in one go.